Okay, so out there are a lot of Minecraft tutorials of how to make a free Minecraft server, but those are fakes, so I'm going to teach you the legal and free way to make a Minecraft server. So you have to go to aternos.org, and then you press play, wait a few seconds, and then you can sign up. In my case, I'm going to do that with Google. Once you have logged in, you can create a username. It will be the name of your server, so you can make, for example, EasyWay server. Then you have to agree the terms of service and agree the personal data stored and processed according to the privacy policy. You press the blue button and you can create a new server here. So you press the version you want, Bedrock or Java, create. In my case, it will be Java. This is when you are using an ad blocker, but you can press continue with the blocker anyway. Okay, so what do we do now? So we can configure it, we can choose the software, you can play on vanilla, or you can choose Spigot, Bookit, Fabric, Glowstone, Forge, etc. In my case it will be vanilla, and then here you can choose the version. You can choose every version you want to play the server. In my case it will be 121. You go back to server and here you can press start, and in a few minutes you will be able to play in your server copying this IP. You can find also other IP if it's not working. You can choose the port here, so you have to put this IP double dot and then you push this port, use this port, and then you will be able to have a Minecraft server to play with your friends. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.